All right, folks, so this is how you deal with significant figures when you need to round them to a specific number of significant figures. So if you look at the number 0.5813, and we need to round this to two significant figures, we need to find the first significant figure farthest left, which is 5, and we need to go to two significant figures. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. So when we write our number, we're not going to be writing any number past this place right here. So the question is, what happens to the 8? Well, look at the number after it, which is a 1. And since the number 1 is less than 5, this number 8 stays the same. So to two significant figures, it is 0.58. That's how you round it to two significant figures. So remember the rule of rounding, that if you have a number that's 5 or greater, you round the previous number up. But if it's not, it stays the same. So how about this one? 31154, 31,154. We need to round to three significant figures. So again, we find the first significant figure all the way to the left and count 1, 2, 3. So what happens to this number right here? The number after it is a 5. So that means this 1 becomes a 2. So we have 3, 1, 2. Now one of the things that I think is most common as a mistake is that people just write this and you're done. Well, the number has to be the similar size. It's 31,000. If you write 312, that's not the same number. So to solve the problem, you put some zeros, and those zeros fill place, and it gives this number the size that it needs. Now, are these zeros significant? And the answer is no. How about this one right here? 3.9130 times 10 to the negative third to three significant figures. Again, you start all the way left, you count 1, 2, 3. What happens to the 1? What's after it? It's a 3. So 3.91. Now, this is the most common mistake. People stop at this point. But don't forget, it's times 10 to the negative third. So you got to keep that on there too. And then this one here, 0.003317, two significant figures. The first significant figure is this 3. Remember, these zeros are not significant. They're simply placeholders, but you still have to write them. So 0.000, and then go two significant figures, 1, 2. What happens to the 3? Look at the number after, it's a 1. So this stays as a 3. 3. And that's how you round numbers to the correct number of significant figures.